What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, as requested, we'll be taking a look at the earnings report that Inuvo stock, trading under the ticker INUV, just announced. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. This volatile week of earnings continues on, with the Inuvo stock reporting earnings after the market closed on Thursday. We last talked about Inuvo stock here on my channel a couple weeks ago, and since that time, Inuvo share price has been selling off significantly, along with the broader market. So with all of that being said, how was Inuvo's earnings report that they just announced? In the press release, Inuvo CEO Rich Howe announced that Inuvo continued to grow both within the IntentKey platform, which was up 15% year over year, and within the Valid Click platform as well, which has grown 9% compounded monthly since its pandemic low in May of 2020. And while Inuvo did report a negative adjusted EBITDA in the quarter, it was a 36% improvement when compared to the same quarter year over year. And taking a look at the numbers, in the first quarter, Inuvo reported a net revenue of $10.6 million, which was down approximately 29% year over year from $14.9 million in the same quarter of 2020. With management citing a pandemic-induced lower revenue within the Valid Click platform as the source of this decrease. And from this revenue, Inuvo reported a net loss for the first quarter of 2021 in the sum of $2.2 million, and improvement from a loss of $2.8 million in the same quarter year over year. But looking at Inuvo's quarter more broadly rather than just looking at the numbers, they made a lot of progress in the first quarter of 2021, successfully launching the software-as-a-service version of the IntentKey, signing multiple new clients for the IntentKey platform, signing a casino and resort company, renewing their largest Valid Click partner, delivering results to IntentKey clients that exceeded their goals of 48%, raising approximately $14 million in additional capital, as well as expanding sales support, and account management. So how has Inuvo share price responded to this earnings report? At the time that I'm recording this video and after hours trading, Inuvo is staying flat, after falling 5.7% while the market was open earlier today. Personally, as a long-term investment, I continue to believe that Inuvo has a lot of potential ahead of it. But with that said, Inuvo continues to be an extremely small market cap penny stock with a ton of speculation and risk. After the huge drop that we've been seeing in Inuvo share price recently, I personally believe that we're going to start to see some support. But if the ongoing market volatility continues, then there certainly is a risk that here in the short term, we could see Inuvo share price fall further. But as a long-term investment, I continue to believe that Inuvo has a lot of potential ahead of it, and I will continue to hold my position, albeit a very small percentage of my overall stock portfolio given the inherent risk of this investment. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. Inuvo continues to be a very speculative small market cap penny stock. So an investment into a company like Inuvo comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing into Inuvo, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Inuvo? Are you invested in Inuvo? Are you thinking about investing into Inuvo stock? What do you think about the earnings report that Inuvo just released? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.